In this video we'll demonstrate how you can use the new InControl buttons feature in the UX Builder. So you can see here we have a simple text box, and what we'd like to do is add some InControl buttons to this text box so that we can clear the user entry, and also so that we can then use whatever the user typed into this field and then search the list control that is underneath it. So let's go back to design mode, and we go back to our input control, and now we're going to we're going to specify that this control has InControl buttons. Then I'm going to go over here and start adding controls. So the first control I'd like to add would be a predefined button that's going to just simply clear the entry that the user has typed in. So I'll just go here and type in clear, and we can see now that the predefined button was added. Its type is icon as opposed to text, and we've chosen one of the built-in images in Alpha 5, and then the action that we've chosen is this dot value equals a single quote, which is a null string. And you can see that we're using a special placeholder called this, which is a pointer to the actual text box control. So let's go ahead now and check this out. So we'll go over to working preview. We can see we have a little X now, and then if I type something into the field and then click the X, it's going to clear the entry out. So now let's go and add our search button. So we'll go back to InControl buttons and then click add, and I'll type in search, and this time I'd like this to be a text button. So I'll just go and make that capital SEAR, search. And now I won't define the action yet, but let's go and see how it looks. So we can see now that we have a search button and also our icon. Now the icon is not getting highlighted when we give focus to the search box, whereas the search field is, and that's because if you look here you can see that highlight when text box gets focus is not checked for the clear button, but is checked for the search field. So now let's go and define the action now for the search button. So we bring up the JavaScript editor, and we can just type in the JavaScript directly, or we can use action JavaScript. So let's go now and add an action, and we'll call this action search list, and then we'll go and define this action. So we'd like to go to UX components, and then we'll go to filter records in a list control. So we'll go there. Basically the list that we'd like to filter is going to be list number 1. Let's do a keyword search. The field that contains the search field is that, and then let's say we'd like to search in all of these fields over here. So then go ahead and click OK, then save. So now let's just copy this code to the clipboard. And now in our editor, well, actually we could just have easily have just done this, run an action. So we're going to run this action we've just defined. Click OK, go there now, and now we can type in a value. Let's just type in, say, France, and then click the search button, and you can see now we've basically just gone ahead and done a search. So the ability to put InControl buttons into text boxes, edit combos, lookups, any text box can have InControl buttons. So thanks very much for watching.